1, 2, 3.
Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Come on, bring it.
Boom, ideas fill the room with light. Soon as I write tunes of dynamite, sceneries out of sight. Shows tonight, I seal your doom tight. My platoon is right, putting bullet wounds in the mic. Once again, it's the paragraph chemist, inventors to finish. The experimentist, rock chemist, the elementor. I invent more courses, the editor with thoughts of a sorcerer. Bring it, act like you want it. It isn't a man to take it from me. I hold a mic prisoner, rescues out of reach, next cruise out of speech. Unless you know how to teach, retreat to the beat. I swing it better than Tarzan. Once it's in the arson, all they can say is all man. A mass of people in stereo. Yo, any writing MCs in the area, bring it.
Bring it on, bring it on and on and on and on and on. Bring it, bring it on, bring it on and on and on and on and on.
Bring it.
Bring it on, bring it on and on and on and on and on. On and on and on and on. Bring it on, bring it on. Stop it.
To the break of dawn. 1.
Poetry's drastic, has it when it's put on plastic. Have it get blasted if I get sarcastic. Your thoughts are short, mine's go far past it. He didn't wanna pass it, I took it. Believe me, it's devious. If they wanna see me, it's worse than hideous. Look, I drop another rhyme, then the place gets shook. If you don't get back, react to the hook. I hook it, highly explosive, it can blow at any time. With any rhyme, without a 9, get out of line. Too late if you wait till I perform. Mics get blown out of tone, so bring it on. Bring it.
Bring it on, bring it on and on and on and on. On and on and on and on. Bring it on, bring it on. Stop it.
To the break of dawn. 1.
The crowd didn't hear the original and the wild first one to ever let a rhyme flow down the now. Stomp it, comp, flowing a similar style. Rhymes attack, now they want rap exile. Never, cause I get militant, that's why I'm still in it. You give me a mic and I'm killing it. When it drops short tops and x-rays, give them hints, displays. I say, hate away the microchips. Instead of yapping about a gun, rapping about things they never done. You're sterile, you never come. I'm thorough since I came, I'm still coming with more. In 94, I ain't going